Hi everybody, just wanted to touch base with you today, and today we're talking about trusting the process. We have to trust the process of whatever we're doing, the law of attraction. Some people think that it doesn't work. Well, it doesn't work if you don't believe it's going to work, but even if you don't believe it's going to work, it's still working in your life because it's bringing all that negativity into your life. You have to trust the process. For some people, this is very hard, but you can change your programming. I'll put a link in the video for subliminal changes that you can listen to on low, on a loop, and every day just listen a little bit. Your life will change. Most of our thoughts are subliminal. They're in our subconscious minds. I believe the experts say we have something like 65,000 thoughts a day that we're not even aware of. Most of those are negative programming since we were a child, way back. We have to reprogram our minds for wealth, prosperity, health, and healing. Anyway, you can do this, and you have to make an effort to do this. This is not something that just happens automatically. The other stuff, yes, law of attraction is always working in our lives. What we think, what we say, what we do is always manifesting in our lives. But we can change all that. We can change what we say. We can change what we think. We can change how we act and how we feel on purpose. This is a daily effort. Sorry about that. That was my computer. And I'm just hoping you have a fabulous day today. My day was great. Doctor visit and all that. I'm believing that everything's on the up and up and okay. I just wanted to leave you with a short video for food for thought and everything. But remember, trust the process. Some people go through it for a couple of years before they manifest what they want. But you have to be determined to keep in the race. I know one person who was flat broke, no money, and he is doing fabulous, making courses and doing all kinds of things he never thought he would ever do. My mentor, Robert Hollis, he was broke, losing his place to live, almost lost his marriage, everything, flat broke, everything. He's a millionaire, and he helped, so I think it's 55 now, other people become millionaires. Just keep at it. Don't give up. If you give, you don't fail unless you give up. With that, I'm going to leave you. God bless you. Merry Christmas, and may the blessings of the Lord be upon you. And please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you soon. And just know that you are extremely loved. Thank you. Bye-bye.